Selling on Amazon involves setting up a seller account, listing products, and managing orders within the vast online marketplace. Here's a concise guide. Account setup. Choose between an individual or professional seller account on Amazon Seller Central and complete the registration process. Product listings. Create accurate and detailed product listings with clear titles, compelling descriptions, high-quality images, and appropriate keywords. Product categories. Select the most relevant categories and subcategories for your products to improve discoverability. Pricing strategy. Determine competitive prices, factoring in costs, shipping, and Amazon's fees. Fulfillment options. Choose between Fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon handles shipping, or Fulfillment by Merchant, where you manage shipping. Inventory management. Keep track of your inventory levels to avoid stockouts and overstocking. Amazon ads. Utilize Amazon's advertising platform to boost visibility for your products. Buy box. Strive to win the buy box, which increases your chances of making sales as it's the default add to cart option for customers. Reviews and ratings. Encourage positive reviews and ratings by delivering excellent customer service and high-quality products. Seller performance. Maintain a strong seller performance by promptly processing orders, responding to customer inquiries, and adhering to Amazon's policies. Shipping and returns. Provide accurate shipping information and a clear returns policy to ensure a smooth customer experience. Branding. Utilize Amazon Brand Registry to protect your brand, create a branded storefront, and use enhanced brand content. Monitor competitors. Keep an eye on competitors' products, prices, and strategies to stay competitive. Customer engagement. Engage with customers through product Q&A, reviews, and messages to build trust. Analytics. Utilize Amazon Seller Analytics to track sales, monitor performance metrics, and make informed decisions.